guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something that was perfect for fall but really quick and easy because we are transitioning into the fall months. I'm by no means excited for the cold weather, but I love the fall season. I love like the warmth and the coziness and all the fall looks. I love them. They have to be some of my favorites to create because they're really warm and cozy. And I wanted to start off this fall season with this quick and simple, easy fall look. Love, love, love how the look turned out. The eyes were so simple and quick to do, and then you pop on a bold fall colored lip and you're done. So that is what I did for you guys today. And before we move on into the tutorial, I know I'm gonna get questions about my necklaces because I always get a question about this necklace right here. So I've mentioned it here before, but I'm gonna mention it again because now I just added another one. So my family owns a jewelry store and we're based in New York City in the heart of the Diamond District. So that is where both my necklaces are from. I always wear this one, never take it off. You will never see it off of me. And this one I just added, which is the Evil Eye. I'm obsessed, so obsessed with this Evil Eye, and I know you guys are gonna love it as well. So if you guys want, I'll have everything linked down below where to check us out on our socials. And if you ever want any information on products that you see on our Instagram or anything like that, you can always just DM us for pricing and stuff like that, and maybe sometimes you'll actually end up talking to me. So I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm first going into the Sigma Sculpt Highlight and Contour Palette, and I'm picking up this contour shade and faking it. Okay, this look is about to be so quick and easy. So first I'm taking this bronzer, well, contour shade on my E38 Diffuse Crease Brush by Sigma, and I'm starting to run this all through my crease. This is going to be the only like powder shadow I'm going to use, and I'm just adding some definition and dimension to my crease. And then I'm taking that same contour shade on my Sigma E54 Medium Sweeper Brush, and I'm running this along my lash line. I like using my bronzer or contour shade that I use through my cheek on my eyes when I do quick looks, just because I feel like it's, first of all, quicker because I'm not picking up more shadows and palettes, but it also kind of ties in the entire look and kind of keeps it very uniform with my cheeks and my eyes. For my lid, I'm going into the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in Metallic Taupe. And then this is the star of the show. I'm going to apply this all over my lid, and look at how pretty this shadow is. I love the shade and I love the sparkle and reflects in it. And then I'm just going to go back in with that same brush that I used to apply my crease shadow and just quickly blend the edges of this shadow stick to kind of diffuse it and make sure that there's no harsh lines. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder and highlight 01. And then with my F70 concealer brush, I'm going to apply this right on my inner corner. And like I said again, I like to use whatever I'm going to use through my cheeks on my eyes for this kind of quick look. I'm now picking up the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in black. And then lastly, just to line my upper waterline, and that's just going to add a little bit of darkness and fullness to my lashes because I'm not applying any liner. How quick and easy was that? So now I'm just going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going into these Salon Perfect X Brittany Bare Makeup Lashes in Bearified. And that's the eye look done. My eyes are done, and I love how the look turned out. It's so quick and simple to do. And now I have my foundation, concealer, and powder on, but I don't have anything through my cheeks, so I'm looking really flat. So I'm going to show you guys some new products that I want to try out, plus some of my favorites that I love using for my contour, blush, and highlight, and all that good stuff. So I'm first going to go into the Sigma Sculpt Highlight and Contour Palette, and I'm going to go into this cooler shade called Faking It. And I'm only going into the shade right now. Usually I would mix these two, but I'm going into Faking It because I do want to try out a new bronzer, and it is a little bit more on the warmer side. So I want to do a cooler contour shade and then pop on that warmer bronzer to kind of give me like a nice balanced cheek. Because I don't really like when it's like too warm or too cool, so we're going to mix them together and create like a nice little concoction. And I'm going to apply that contour through my cheek using my Sigma Large Angled Contour F40 brush. So now here is the bronzer that I really want to try out. So this is the L'Oreal Bronze Please Latera Sun Powder Face and Body in shade 03, and it looks so pretty. The packaging is beautiful. So now I'm going to bronze up my face with my Real Techniques blush brush. I'm so excited to show you guys this blush. I don't think I've showed you here yet. I have shown you over on my Instagram stories. I've been doing tutorials, kind of trying to do them weekly now, and you guys have been really liking them, which I'm also having a lot of fun creating them, so I'm going to keep doing them. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram to check those tutorials out. I also do save them in my highlights, so you can always watch them if you did miss them. And I think I also showed you on an IGTV. So now I'm going to show you here on YouTube. So this is the L'Oreal Blush Please Shimmering Blush in Blushin' in Riviera. The shade is so beautiful. It's like a beautiful bright coral with some reflex and shimmer in it. I am obsessed. I think this is just going to be my favorite blush all year round. I'm in love with it. And I'm going to apply that on my cheeks using my Sigma Large Angled Contour F40 brush. And lastly, for a highlight, obviously, because I need my highlight, I'm going to go into this Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder in Highlight 01. I don't know what it is about this highlight, but it just like really drew me to it. The shade looks really pretty. I feel like it's going to look really good with my skin tone. And Matte Radiance Baked Powder. That sounds very weird. Matte and Radiance. I'm not sure how it goes well together, but let's see how it is. I'm going to apply this with my Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter F03 brush. So it said it can be layered, and it can kind of be like an all-over face powder, or you can concentrate it on areas that you want to really get glowy, like I'm trying to do as my highlight right here. And it looks so pretty. I mean, in real life, like, it looks like I'm just glowing from within my skin, like, actually, wow. It's so pretty, and if you keep packing it on, it's not like looking powdery or, wow, okay. It looks really good. So after I apply my highlight, I always just take my blush brush and just run that in between everything just to make sure that everything is nice and blended, and I am loving that highlight. It's not super bright, super intense or anything, but it looks really pretty and really fresh and glowy. For my lips, I want to do something a little bit more deep and rich and bold that's perfect for fall to really complete this quick and easy, simple fall look. So I'm going to go into this L'Oreal Rouge Signature Matte Liquid Lipstick in Eye Lead. I feel like I've been using these so often, but I really do love them. They feel so incredible on the lips. And I know I really do say this all the time, but they really feel like water going on your lips. They're so comfortable, and the shades in the range are stunning. So I'm going to go into the shade. It looks like a perfect kind of going into fall shade. It's not super dark, but I feel like it's that perfect transition to fall. And that is it. This is a completed look of my quick and easy fall makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I told you guys I would include more shadow sticks in my life, and I'm trying. I love it. It makes your shadow application so quick and easy. You just pop on the shadow stick, blend it out, and call it a day. And you have a whole look right there. And this lip, perfect for fall. Love, love, love the shade. Feels so comfortable. You guys need to try these lipsticks out. So if you want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'll be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be listed down below for you guys to shop away easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!